Hey everyone, welcome to another video of BlogHunch. In this one, we are going to talk about the parent and child categories. So let's get started. Here I am within the dashboard, and right now I'm within the categories page. So let's click on Add New Category. This blog is all about cars. So I'm going to create a category called Honda, and let's save this. Once this is saved, let's create another subcategory. Now for this one, Honda is a brand of car and it creates car in different segments like SUV, hatchback, and sedan. So for now, let's create a subcategory called SUV and set the parent to be Honda. Now let's save this. Once this is saved, we can clearly see that Honda has one children called SUV, and the SUV does have a parent called Honda. Now, if I click on Honda, you'll see the URL structure. So this is the subdomain or the domain, then category, and then the slug of the category that you are creating. Now, in our case, Honda is the parent category. Now, under that, we have SUV. So if I do SUV after Honda, then that would display all the posts tagged with this particular category. So this way you can create nested URL structure by using parent and child categories. This can help you with your SEO needs and can also help you to create a drop-down menu.